What's up, everybody? So I got a 2014 Audi Q5. Gonna show you how to reset the oil life on this. So you're gonna come over here. Well, push the start button twice, but don't put your foot on the brake. You don't want to start the car. Just have the car on. So you're gonna come over here to your options over here, and you're gonna click on car. And when you do that, that's gonna bring up this menu. Whoops, actually, hang on. I was just going through here. So when you click on car, it's going to bring up this menu, and usually you'll be over here. So you're going to use this dial and this black button right here, and you're going to push the dial over to services and checks. And you're going to push on the black button, and that'll bring up these. You can also do your tire pressure on here as well, but go down to service intervals, push the black button, and then this will give you the information on where your oil is, and then you can see there's a little arrow there, so if you click down one, it'll bring up the reset oil change interval, and you'll click the black button on that. Yes, you're sure. Click the black button, and it'll then reset, and it shows you there that all your information's reset there, and you should be good to go. And then to get back, you'll just hit the mode button or whichever one that you normally have it on. Hope that helps.